So, hello everyone. We're watching English with Cockroach. Yeah, of course, it may feel silly when the sound soon cockroach, but it's really right. And with me, he's Ayansh, and he improves his English very well. And right now, we are going to talk about that is very crucial topic, and that is AI. We can say that artificial intelligence, right? So keep watching, and I would like to ask some questions, and ready. He will be ready for answering it, right? Okay, Mr. Ryans, welcome to you in this small podcast. We can say that.
I am
Okay,
very grateful to uh, giving a role on this broadcast.
okay,
Uh, I am ready for your question. You should ask me.
okay. Nice, nice. I would like to ask, but first tell me about AI.
Uh, AI is AI is stand for artificial
Okay,
intelligence.
bold voice.
AI is stand for artificial
Mm-hmm.
intelligence,
Mm-hmm.
which can made by the coding and
Mm-hmm.
complex
Mm-hmm.
mathematics
Mm-hmm.
that can think like a human and work like a human, but in the virtual form.
Okay.
Uh, they are when the engineer and coders are making the
Mm-hmm.
robots
Mm-hmm.
which can does work like a human in real life, but
Okay.
these are in process.
Okay. Very nice.
In
Very
simple
nice.
word,
Mm-hmm.
in my words, AI is a
Mm-hmm.
person which is made by coding and complex mathematics
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
in the form of virtual.
Okay. Nice. Very nice. A fantastic answer. And okay, tell me, how is AI different from traditional computer programming?
On all time,
Mm-hmm. All time? Yeah.
the websites are making from coding
Mm-hmm.
in today AI, which is AI,
Mm-hmm.
uh, make websites like Butterslice.
Okay. Butter
Uh,
slice. Mm-hmm.
when we gave him a prompt to make a websites,
Okay.
what visits we need, so
Mm-hmm.
what type of activities we need on the websites,
Okay.
the
Mm-hmm.
AI can design it from us.
Okay.
But the backhand side of the AI, when was
Mm-hmm.
AI was not that much popular,
Okay. Okay. Nice.
the coders
Mm-hmm.
using coding to make websites.
Okay.
Today's AI have NPU. NPU stands
NPU.
for
Mm-hmm.
Neural Processing Unit,
Okay. Very nice.
which help AI to work or to think
Mm-hmm.
smoother
Mm.
and work fast.
Okay. Very nice. Very. Okay. You have mentioned earlier prompt. What is prompt?
Prompt is just like
Mm-hmm.
a sentence which containing all the
Mm.
things that we need on making by AI.
Mm-hmm.
Just like I was giving a prompt to making
Mm-hmm.
something by AI.
Mm-hmm.
So I mentioned on the prompt that what type of item should be on this, what type of size should we need on the website,
Mm-hmm.
what should the ratio of the website,
Okay.
and many other things should be mentioned on
Mm.
the prompt.
Okay. That means we can say that whatever I want, we have to give the command, right? And
Yes,
this command, we can say that prompt, right? Okay, Ayans, tell me, when did AI become popular and why?
I think AI is popular
Mm.
during the
Mm-hmm.
lockdown,
Okay,
when
lockdown. Oh.
lockdown when
Mm-hmm.
everyone was presenting on their home,
Okay. Hmm.
and using the AI to make memes
Oh
on
my
social
God.
medias,
Oh. Mm-hmm.
uh, on social medias,
Mm-hmm.
using the AI chatbots to work from home, easier their tasks. From that time, the
Mm-hmm.
AI was uh, in very top.
Mm-hmm.
AI is necessary things
Okay,
which a
nice.
person can be needed
Mm-hmm.
to use in this time. Without AI, if a person was working, it's very hard to maintain
Mm-hmm.
that.
Mm-hmm.
AI is a very necessary things in this time.
Okay, very necessary. We can also say that. Okay, do you use AI?
Yes, everybody use AI.
Mhm. And with what kind of task do you do by using AI?
Sometimes the question that I
Mhm.
don't understand, like the maths
Okay.
question,
Mhm.
so I put the photo on the AI, like I using ChatGPT.
Mhm.
So I give the prompt and the photo to ChatGPT and
Okay.
ask her, can you
Mhm.
please solve the question in brief
Mhm.
or make it so I understand this very easily. Don't make it in a hard process.
Okay, that means you use.
I use AI in mainly
Mhm.
study
Okay, okay,
and
nice, very nice.
sometimes
Mhm.
editing the photos.
Okay, nice, very nice. That means you use in gaining educational information, right? And whenever
Yes.
you feel trouble, whenever you feel that you could not solve the problem, then you are using it. Okay, very nice way. That's why we can say that it is very and very useful for us,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But when we use properly it, right? Okay, tell me, Ayansh, can AI think like a humans?
This is a very hard question
Yeah, of
because
course.
AI is made of a complex
Mm-hmm.
coding or mathematics.
Mm-hmm.
Human has feeling, but AI can't generate the feeling. Uh, AI is made of codes, but uh, coders and scientists
Mm-hmm.
uh, trying to plant emotion on
Mm-hmm.
AI because feeling is not a type of thing that
Mm-hmm.
can be learned or can be transformed from one person to another. It's a biological thing that
Okay.
can be have from since we are birth and
Mm-hmm.
since after we death. Uh,
Okay. Oh, very nice.
so I think AI is not like a human. Human is a different thing
Mm-hmm.
that is very precious, but
Mm-hmm.
AI can be made it by different codes or different
Okay.
versions.
Okay. So we can say that it makes our only task easier, right?
Yes.
But it does not think like a human. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Tell me, do you want to do any kind of course in AI?
Yeah, I want to do the web designing.
Okay. Web designing. Oh,
Yes,
nice. Fantastic. Mm-hmm.
which can be designed the
Mm-hmm.
websites easily,
Mm-hmm.
but AI was also stealing this.
Yeah,
AI
of
is
course.
advanced, so
Mm-hmm.
just giving him a prompt, he can generate a beautiful website or web designing
Within a second, minutes.
within a second or a minutes.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, okay. Do you think that is there any career in AI? Is there any career in AI?
Yeah, there is many career in
Mm-hmm.
AI. AI
Mm-hmm.
is in his starting phase. AI is growing now.
Mm-hmm.
If a person was investing in AI,
Okay.
the person was getting her 100%.
Mm-hmm.
If some person was learning about
Hmm.
AI in future, he get a better job
Okay.
in AI
Mm-hmm.
industries.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So it is very important. We can say that in career as well, right? Okay, tell me what role does AI play in social media platforms?
uh, just like we are using the social
Mm-hmm.
media like
Mm-hmm.
Insta,
Mm-hmm.
X, Twitter, we see AI option on this
Mm-hmm.
platform.
Mm-hmm.
There was AI which collects the data and sent to AI centers to train their AI,
Okay.
which help AI
Mm-hmm.
to convert uh, to talk with us
Mm-hmm.
easily and very reliably.
Okay.
That's make AI very
Mm-hmm.
very softly. This help AI to
Mm-hmm.
talk us wisely,
Okay,
don't
nice.
having any error.
Mm-hmm.
They trained AI by our information,
Mm-hmm.
taking our data.
Okay,
So this
nice.
is not a bad thing. They're training the AI from our
Mm-hmm.
data.
Okay.
They don't leak anything. This is a genuine thing I
Mm-hmm.
have think.
Okay, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay, we can say that in our daily life, we use AI very well, right? And it also helps a lot. But I want to know that how does AI help in our daily lives?
Uh, just like I said
Mm-hmm.
before, AI make work easily. Just like I was working in a
Mm-hmm.
corporate job,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and my boss asked me to write 1,000 words
Mm-hmm.
about the company
Okay, okay.
uh, in which I was working. So
Mm-hmm.
I just give the prompt to AI
Mm-hmm.
to write 1,000 word about my company. I mention my company names. What does my company do?
Mm-hmm.
The in seconds AI give me the answer. Then I copy paste and send it in email of my boss.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, we can say that AI is a very crucial thing in modern era, and everyone wants to do any course in AI, right? Because also we can say that there are lots of work that can be easier, by AI. We can say that. Okay, how is AI changing education? We can say that. How is AI changing education?
Um, AI is changing the education in
Mm-hmm.
many ways. Like before the AI grows,
Mm-hmm.
we only learn about
Mm-hmm.
our history, what happened in our
Mm-hmm.
past or history. We should learn about what was going on the future, what's happened in the future, how
Okay.
can we
Hmm.
evolve in our
Mm-hmm.
future. We should know about that. If we shouldn't
Mm-hmm.
know about that, then we do not grow, do not know how the things who has been working.
Mm-hmm.
We should always having something that can be searched for.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, we can say that in our India, there are many people who are young, and if we talk about our country, then our India is the youngest country. We can say that because there are lots of people who are youth and who are young there. So, could you tell me what opportunities does AI offer for young people?
AI
Hmm.
opportunity that's given by the company who
Mm-hmm.
was
Mm-hmm.
rolling in AI.
Okay.
They offering the job.
Mm-hmm.
They offering to base their data centers on their states
Mm-hmm.
by leading their lands.
Okay.
AI also gives the job. AI, you can train the AI by
Mm-hmm.
giving her information about the social life.
Mm-hmm.
These are the way you can train AI, and this help us to taking
Mm-hmm.
the job.
Okay, nice. So we can say that for skills, they are very important as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I'm a teacher, right? Can AI help teachers to learn better or to do their performance well in the class? We can say that.
Yes, AI also help
Hmm.
teachers.
Then how is it? Tell.
If someone was teacher, it doesn't mean the he knows
Mm-hmm.
everything,
Mm-hmm.
but the AI knows everything. What's was in every language. AI
Okay.
also help. Just like there was a math teacher who was
Mm-hmm.
teaching maths in the class.
Mm-hmm.
Suddenly he stuck on the question, and
Mm-hmm.
whole class was silence because this question was very important. So the
Okay.
teachers was so the teacher asked the question on
Hmm.
AI and understand the concept. Then he memorized this question was made by this process. So in these ways, the AI also help the teachers.
Okay, nice, very nice. That means it can help us, right? And it can help me as well. We can
Yes,
say that. Okay. So nice to talk to you, Mr. Ayansh. And tell the people, how do you feel after talking?
this is my first time
Hmm.
from recording a podcast. I feel like
Hmm.
having the very uh,
Okay.
something that I
Hmm.
never experienced in my life.
Okay.
This is the first time of my life.
Hmm.
Little bit nervous, but it's okay. First time is always nervous,
Hmm.
but after time I was daily to routine this,
Hmm.
and
And
after some time I was
okay.
speak wisely on the podcast.
Okay, very nice, very nice. But how long I will with you? Don't I will be with you. Don't worry. You will be habited for this, right? Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Just we are doing practice to improve our English, and if you like, then subscribe my channel once again. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day and improve your English.